Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something exciting to unbox and review, the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9 laptop. This machine comes with some serious power, perfect for gaming, content creation, and everything in between. Here it is, the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9. It has a nice, sleek design with a matte finish that gives it a premium look without being too flashy. It feels sturdy but not too heavy, a perfect balance for a 15.6-inch laptop. Also in the box, we've got the 230-watt power adapter, which is nice and compact. 16GB DDR5 RAM, 512GB PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD, Nvidia RTX 4068GB graphics. We've got a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. This is awesome for gaming and even for video editing. The colors look vibrant, and the refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth. As for ports, it's got everything you need. On the left side, we've got a USB-C port, USB 3.2, an HDMI 2.1, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. On the right, we have two more USB-A ports, a headphone jack, and the power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor. Keyboard. 1.5mm key travel. Backlight for zone RGB. 100% anti-ghosting. With 1.5mm key travel, the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9 laptop's keyboard offers precision and comfort perfect for gaming and extended typing sessions. Enjoy 100% anti-ghosting for accuracy during intense gameplay with calming backlighting. Under the hood, we have the Intel Core i7-14700HX processor, paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and an RTX 4060 GPU with 8GB of dedicated VRAM. This is some serious power, and I'm really excited to put it to the test. First up, I ran a few benchmarks to see how it handles some heavy workloads. And, spoiler alert, it crushed it. The laptop performed smoothly even during intense multitasking, and gaming performance was top-notch. I tried out some popular titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare, and the frame rates were buttery smooth at high settings. With the RTX 4060, you can expect excellent gaming performance, even in demanding games. It's powerful enough for content creators too. Whether you're video editing in Premiere Pro or rendering in Blender, this laptop can handle it. So, after spending some time with the Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9, what do I think? If you're in the market for a powerful gaming laptop or a machine for content creation, this is a solid choice. The 144Hz display is a real highlight, offering smooth visuals, and the overall design is clean and professional. Yes, the battery life could be better, but that's the trade-off for all the performance packed inside. I highly recommend this laptop if you want something that can handle both work and play without breaking the bank. It's a great all-rounder. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.